everybody, welcome back to FloridaShelling's channel. Today we are going to be making a seashell bunny. Perfect time for Easter. Very easy tutorial. Let's get to it. Okay, so here's our bunny rabbit that we are going to try to copy and make. There we go. Sorry about that. I had to adjust my frame. All right, so it has blue mussels for ears and feet, pom-pom for a bunny butt and a nose, little whiskers, and then it's got two kitten paws for little paws, and then these are heart cockle pairs. Let's see, I'm all out of those, but I found this. I was trying to see what pairs I have. So I have this one for the body, this one for the head. So this is a Discdocenia, this is a quahog. I do have mussels, but mine are a little bit bigger and mine are purple. I don't have blue ones. And then I do have kitten paws. I have a lot of kitten paws. I've got a pom-pom. So I have, this will be my bunny butt. For the nose, I only have this little one, or I can use another big pom-pom. So we're gonna see what it ends up being like. And then I have a ribbon like this. It's not the same, doesn't need to be the same. She has dots on hers, so I can always paint dots on mine if I want, and I can always paint these pom-poms. So let's see what it ends up looking like. Okay, so here you go. Okay, this was a fun one, and I was thinking that this would be one of the harder ones, and it actually wasn't. Basically, hardest thing again, just making sure that when you do the bottom, make sure you move it off anything soft and go on hard, and glue the feet so it will be able to stand up straight. Funny enough, it looks like the person that made this one made the same mistake and didn't have the same size mussels on the bottom, but it worked out fine. Mine's bigger. They're both super cute. There's not one that I like more or less. This bow's going crazy. Bing, bing. Cool. That's it, guys. I hope you liked it. Me, me, me. Happy Easter, everybody.